Here I have Samsung Galaxy F13, and today I'm going to show you how to change date and time settings on this device. So firstly, you have to open settings, scroll down to the bottom, go to the general management, and then go to the date and time. So like if you want to set up date and time manually, you have to firstly disable date and time, automatic date and time I mean. Here you can set your date, here you can set your time. You can also change your time zone by disabling automatic time zone. So just select your region and then select your time zone. And you can change time format from 24-hour to 12-hour. So yeah. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.